बहुत सारे लोगों के ऐसे ड्रीम्स होते हैं कि मुझे मॉडल बनना है या फिर एक्टर जो भी है, बट नहीं हो पाता है बिकॉज ऑफ पेरेंट्स.
Looks don't matter, yeah, but only on social media. People boast a lot on social media.
I hate one thing is that they do discriminate a lot between models.
Never trust someone until and unless you are sure for it.
So hello everyone, welcome to the Unknowns. And today we have with us Aishi Ghosh and Utkarsh Mishal. Both are fashion geeks. Especially Aishi is quite more into the fashion thing, and Utkarsh is into games. Utkarsh is into business. So we'll be talking to them about these stuffs only. So first of all, I would like both of them to introduce themselves. So yeah, Aishi.
Okay, myself Aishi Ghosh and I'm pursuing BTech in KIT, Computer Science and Communication. Thank you.
Okay, Utkarsh.
First of all, thanks both of you for calling in this platform. And starting with my introduction, myself Utkarsh Mishal, and currently I'm pursuing my BTech degree with computer science from KIIT. And yeah, that's it for it.
Okay, so both of you are quite attracted toward fashion. So, what is the reason for that?
Yeah, Ishi, you say
Actually,
first.
fashion is like what we carry in day-to-day life, right? It doesn't matter you have to always wear trendy clothes. It like तुम कुछ भी पहनो ना, बस कैरी करना आना चाहिए. वो तुम घर के कपड़े पहनो या कुछ भी, बस और कुछ नहीं. That's fashion for me. कुछ भी.
Okay, that's great. Utkarsh, with you.
Uh, not like a big term for me. It's just like I love trying new clothes. Not into it too much, but I just like to dress. That's it.
Yeah, like Utkarsh is not that much into fashion, but yeah, right. So,
Yeah,
guys,
after
I
coming to college,
yes,
yeah, after coming to college, I was a bit interested, but yeah, that's it. Not
Yeah,
much into it.
actually, when we dress like perfectly, we feel good about ourselves. That's the biggest point.
Yeah, yeah.
mm, that is very right. Yeah. So, I know Utkarsh's first audition experience because we are roommates. I knew the day when he went there, and he came and told me. So, but I would like to know it from you guys only. So, what was your first audition experience at college? Aishi and Utkarsh both.
Okay, my first
Okay,
audition was like I should I name the society?
Yeah, you can. Until and unless you
Okay,
are
I
not abusing them.
no please no. तो मेरा जो पहला ऑडिशन था वो कायरा में था, ठीक है. तब आई वाज नूब इन वॉक, सो आई गॉट रिजेक्टेड डायरेक्ट. लाइक
Okay.
या मतलब वॉक अच्छा नहीं था इसीलिए रिजेक्ट हुआ, वरना फोटोशूट का जो एक होता है राउंड, उसमें आई वाज सिलेक्टेड. बट वॉक में या मैं भी एग्री करती हूँ, मैं अच्छी नहीं थी. बट इन 2020 फिर मिरर्स का ऑडिशन हुआ तो मैंने प्रैक्टिस किया था थोड़ा. देन आई गॉट सिलेक्टेड इनटू दैट.
Like
आई
in
एम हैप्पी
second
फॉर दैट.
year.
हाँ, मिरर्स ऑफिशियल है ना, एंड इट ओनली रिक्रूट सेकंड ईयर नॉट फर्स्ट ईयर,
Okay.
इसीलिए.
Okay. So, what was the feeling when you got rejected for the first time?
आई एक्चुअली आई वाज सैड, बट देन आई नो देन कि मेरा हो जाएगा. आई विल डू एंड इट विल, मतलब हो जाएगा. अब रिजेक्शन तो होता ही है ना
Yeah,
हर जगह, तो उसको पॉजिटिवली लेना चाहिए. रिजेक्शन हमेशा ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि यार मेरा तो कुछ नहीं होगा एंड ऑल.
definitely. I mean, she was confident that she will be
हाँ.
Yeah.
doing something.
And with you, Utkarsh?
it was not a very good experience at all. Me and Aishi were in the same audition. I guess that was my first one, and
Oh,
the
and
mirror
both got
audition
rejected.
in the
We
KPAC
should
it
No,
was.
no, no.
we should find
I
who
got
was doing
selected.
No,
the.
that was different. That was different.
Okay.
No, it was my first time, and I really didn't want to go for audition. Some fellow senior told me that yeah, you should go for it, give it a try. Let's see what happens. I never had seen anyone walk on a ramp, a man obviously,
Hmm.
and I literally went there. I was lacking with confidence, and I really didn't know how to do that. I just see some a model of Mirror, yeah, walking there, and just tried to copy him. I really fucked up very well. So that's it. Not a good experience at all. So I'm not gonna try it next, next time. Only.
So you are
Okay.
not going into fashion anymore, or we can
Yeah,
expect the other
obviously.
thing as well. Okay.
Things happen. Let it be. Whatever happens,
Uh,
we will see.
okay.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so my next question is for Aishi. What do you think is the current scenario of fashion industries in India? Like, do you think that Pan India has accepted it, or is it still a foreign thing?
No, no, they have accepted it, but in few village areas they haven't. Like I
Okay.
have seen them कि अभी भी वो लोग accept नहीं कर पाते. They be like, what are you wearing? This is too short and like this.
Yeah, yeah.
But when we go to city, it's absolutely normal. It's nothing to ashamed of. Like fashion is absolutely normal right now. We have accepted all the Western cultures and dresses, everything. It's so super normal.
या सो
Yeah,
मोर देन
yeah.
एक्सेप्टिंग आई सी लाइक आई वांट टू नो कि अभी भी मतलब ऐसा है कि इंडिया में बहुत कम लोग करते हैं, है ना, मॉडलिंग मॉडलिंग
हाँ
बहुत कम लोग करते हैं, तो
हाँ
इस चीज में
किसी
कैसा है?
किसी के तो आ, देखो किसी किसी के घर में भी होता है इश्यूज कि तुम
हम्म।
ये सब नहीं कर सकती. इंडिया में है ऐसा. सो बहुत सारे लोगों के ऐसे ड्रीम्स होते हैं कि मुझे मॉडल बनना है या फिर एक्टर जो भी है, बट नहीं हो पाता है बिकॉज ऑफ पेरेंट्स. दे डोंट एग्री विद अस.
और मतलब कि वही बात है ना कि अभी भी शायद ये मेट्रोपॉलिटन वाला ही चीज है, स्मॉल टाउन का कोई अभी
हाँ.
वहां नहीं कर सकता है।
नहीं नहीं.
वहाँ के लोग ही उस तरीके के नहीं आकर मतलब एक्सेप्ट
वही
नहीं
ना.
करना चाह रहे हैं उस चीजों को.
नहीं करना चाहते हैं.
Okay, so the next question is also related to this. Like, why you guys are doing so? This is actually quite a controversial question, but I think it's the truth. So that is why I would like to, so both of you are quite good looking. Okay, like Utkarsh or the senior he was talking about, he had recommended him to come because he was like, you look good, you have a good height, you should come. So since you both are quite good looking, do you think that only good looking people can do fashion in this country, especially?
नो.
Do you
आई
guys
डोंट
think that?
एग्री बिकॉज क्योंकि देखो मैंने ऐसे बहुत लोगों को देखा है जो दिखने में बहुत सही होते हैं बट उनको ना कुछ कैरी करना नहीं आता और उनका द वे दे टॉक इज नॉट एट द लेवल राइट. मतलब एक
Hmm.
होता है ना बात करने के तरीके से भी इंसान अट्रैक्ट होता है कि हाँ ये बंदा
Hmm.
या बंदी अच्छी है. तो वो भी
Hmm.
होना चाहिए. लुक्स हमेशा नहीं देखा जाता. तुम देखना बहुत मॉडल्स होते हैं लाइक दे रियली डोंट लुक गुड एट ऑल बट द वे दे कैरी इज अमेजिंग. like top level के models होते हैं वो लोग and they nailed it like literally.
Yeah,
So looks
but
doesn't
in
matter at all.
yeah, but in India, is it like that? या फिर फॉरेन में है कि फॉरेन में वैसा है?
इंडिया में देखो है. हर जगह ऐसा होता है वी नो दैट.
हाँ.
बट कुछ जगह में ऐसा नहीं है लाइक जिनको बहुत अच्छे से खुद को कैरी करना आता है और उनका फ्लुएंसी बात करने का जो होता है वो अगर सही होना तो दे गेट सिलेक्टेड एब्सोल्युटली.
What's your take, Utkarsh?
I would say that yeah, looks don't matter at all. They matter, obviously they do, but in modeling now, if you go for a good audition, they just don't see how you're walking. There's another round as well in which they take interview, how the way you talk, how you behave, how your body language is. So everything is just related to it. So everything matters. So just it's not just about height or looks.
Hmm.
Okay.
Acha, what do you guys think in real life? How much do looks matter? Like taking it apart from the fashion,
Yeah, yeah,
how
yeah.
much do looks matter?
हाँ
I
इन
would
रियल
say
लाइफ.
that
हाँ
go on,
बोलो.
go on.
ना देखो इन रियल लाइफ लाइक एवरी पीपल जज बाय देयर लुक एंड इट्स ट्रूथ वी हैव टू एक्सेप्ट इट.
Hmm.
सब लुक्स देख के ही तुमसे बात करने आएगा. पहले पहले कोई ये नहीं देखेगा कि तुम किस तरह से बात करते हो. पहले शक्ल ही देखते हैं लोग आजकल. और ये सच है. चाहे हम जितना भी बोल ले कि लुक्स डजंट मैटर बट इट मैटर्स एट द एंड.
Very true.
क्यों ना मैटर. हाँ वही.
Yeah.
तो पहले लोग लुक्स देखते हैं फिर पर्सनालिटी देखते हैं. कोई पर्सनालिटी देख के आज तक किसी के पास कोई गया नहीं है.
Very true. Yeah,
So,
Utkar.
Exactly. I would say that yeah, looks do matter. Looks don't matter, yeah, but only on social media. People boast a lot on social media that we don't judge people by looks.
Hmm.
Even I remember that once you put a poll on your page, I guess,
Yeah,
that
yeah,
looks
yeah.
matter or not.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if someone says that looks don't matter, then he is lying, man. Obviously,
Yeah.
looks matter in real life. That's a
Yeah.
harsh reality, and we have to accept it.
Yeah.
That shouldn't be a
Also,
reality, but it is.
also what I observed and what I have learned is that कि look matter नहीं करता है जब तक कोई सामने वाला तुमको जान ना ले. But for the first impression,
Exactly.
हाँ.
like if there are three people standing, three girls standing there, and maybe I would approach the most good looking one. So there she has the edge, and so do the other people will. So that is the point. Like, but once you get to know,
Exactly. Yeah.
then looks don't matter. But for the first thing, for the first impression, looks matter a lot. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Awesome.
now I'm going to ask a question to Utkarsh. So Utkarsh, you had a 10 CGPA in in your 10th, and then you went to Narayana for JEE preparation. Tell me something about that.
I would say that it was a complete roller coaster ride. I went from a city to a complete, it was like my parents threw me to somewhere and unknown place. No one known was there. All all friends were like from all students were like from different states, completely different states. Even to Vizag, different language. No taste in food. Everything was just going worse. But when anything is not happening good with you must need to look good into it. Means अच्छा निकालना पड़ता है जब कुछ अच्छा ना हो रहा हो तो. So I got friends there, really good friends there. Even if you are in KIIT also, my seniors 1 year.
Mhm.
So to be honest, like it was from, yeah, I was a really good student, not a top three student as well, but I think I was always in my class top 10, always. That was too consistent. But when I went to Narayana, it was like a complete change for me. I didn't know how to survive there. So I
I mean, what
really,
was the
to
change,
be honest, now
Utkarsh?
after 11th, I completely choked up. Education there is completely different. They just push you to prepare for competitive only.
Okay.
They just don't care what is your caliber, what is your limit. They just don't care about it. You just have to prepare for JE, give the exam. They don't care you fail or pass. They will just push you to your limits, literally, and instantly you will fail. Obviously, that happens.
Okay.
So that was not a
Like,
good memory, but
what
still
what do you think,
things
Utkarsh,
happen.
was the main reason in it? Like, you were doing all good. You used to participate in debates here, and you had 10 CGPA. What happened suddenly? Like, what do you think was the major reason? Like, what changed there? Like, the syllabus changed, the 11th stuff. What was the reason?
Syllabus, see, syllabus is common for everyone, right? If I say that syllabus
Yeah.
was tough, that won't be a justice to the students who have scored well. So
Hmm.
it was like a complete different environment. I've never been far from my parents, and I didn't find really tough for me to survive there as well. So I won't say that syllabus was tough. It was like uh, I couldn't survive there. That was a complete different environment. But yeah, I learned many things, and that helped me in college also. That helped me a lot actually in life also. I never have been a fluent person in my life. I was never a confident person, but surviving there all alone gave me a much of confidence, and you know it strengthened me a lot. That's why I some good points are also there going to Narayana.
Like, do
Yeah.
you guys think that engineers are, more strong because because before coming to college they have prepared for JEE? Like, is that a reason? Like, because that's why engineers know jugaad and all that. So is that a reason?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
I
what?
honestly, honestly think so because they are pushed to their limits. They
Hmm.
know what is their capacity. They know everything about it. They know how to handle pressure, most important. And in college you have known it very well that how pressure plays its role. So yeah, it plays a very important role, I guess. Engineers have a big hand in that. To be honest.
Yeah. What do you think, Aishi?
सही बोला है लाइक हम लोग तो हमेशा एग्जाम के पहले ही पढ़ते हैं चाहे जितना भी टफ सिलेबस हो कितना भी एग्जाम के 2-3 दिन पहले ही पढ़ना शुरू करते हैं एंड वी लिटरली गेट गुड मार्क्स
Yeah, very right. Engineers में है वो चीज. So yeah.
डॉक्टर्स ये नहीं कर सकते.
हाँ. Yeah, right. Okay, so the next question is like, what do you think of the, like, coming to the engineering college only, what do you think is the, current environment of engineering college? Like for me personally, if I would say that कि हमको नहीं लगा था कि इतना hectic होगा engineering. It's quite hectic. Like, you have midsems, you have end sems, and like if you are in a tier 2, tier 3 college, or like even if you are not into the IITs, then also it's quite tough if your college is quite legitimate. So I just discovered like it's quite tough, like it's not that easy. So what do you guys think is the environment right now in the engineering college?
It's like really tough, I would say that पहले लगता था कि हाँ 11 12 तक ही tough होता है and engineering college is quite easy. We have heard from our cousins also, but they really lied to us. सब झूठ था literally. And when you come to college, it's completely different life. It's completely different what you have imagined about college. Like college जाएंगे चीजें अलग हो जाएंगी, पढ़ना कम पड़ेगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. It's like
Karan Johar wala.
Yeah, that वो student of the year bullshit. That's not a college life. That only happens in South Delhi only. I think so.
नहीं वो बस ड्रीम्स में होता है. साउथ दिल्ली में भी शायद इतना तो नहीं होता होगा यार.
इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में तो नहीं होगा.
हवा बना दी है पूरा.
फैशन वाले में हो सकता है.
हाँ,
स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर साइड ना, इन उसमें पढ़ाई छोड़ के सब था. उसमें पढ़ाई छोड़ के
yeah, right.
Okay, so the next
मतलब करंट सिनेरियो में तो सारा कुछ भी सब्जेक्ट ले लो या कुछ भी ब्रांच ले लो, एकदम सब ऑनलाइन में कोई पढ़ ही नहीं रहा है.
नथिंग इज इजी, कुछ समझ ही नहीं आता.
और हम लोग को तो कॉलेज लाइफ मिला ही नहीं, बस एक सेमेस्टर मिला, एक साल भी नहीं मिला.
Yeah, so on this thing only, 3 things you think that you missed out of college life, like the 3 major things that you think because of this lockdown you missed out of.
First thing I would say that exposure, college life, good time with friends. पढ़ाई तो ले ही लो.
पढ़ाई तो ले ही लो. पढ़ाई करता कौन है इंजीनियरिंग?
वो भी ठीक है. The most thing I would say ना, वो बोलते हैं ना आकाश, वो बोलते हैं ना कि कॉलेज के फ्रेंड्स से हमेशा याद रहते हैं, मेमोरीज लाइफ टाइम याद रहती है. वो चीज सबसे ज्यादा वो
मेमोरीज या राइट
मिस्ड
और
आउट.
जो होता है ना कि कॉलेज में आके बहुत भी खुद को एक्सप्लोर करते हैं, वो भी किसी को मौका नहीं मिला.
या
सही बात है, सही.
Yeah, 3 things for you, Aishi, personally.
पर्सनली वही कि खुद को एक्सप्लोर करने का ज्यादा मौका नहीं मिला. फिर फ्रेंड्स के साथ हैंग आउट करने का भी मौका बिल्कुल नहीं मिला ज्यादा. और पढ़ाई तो छोड़ ही दो, कहाँ हुआ, कुछ भी नहीं.
Like that friend वाला thing कि हम लोग मतलब
हाँ, फिर मिस किया तो फेस्ट सबसे बड़ा था. और फिर जितने भी फेस्टिवल्स होते हैं वो सबसे मेजर थिंग है, तो बहुत बड़ा होता है ना किट में.
yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
so how much are you guys interested in coding? I mean, and if you guys are not interested in
boom. It was everything was going good and now coding. Yeah, go ahead.
Akash can answer this question very well. He knows everything about me.
Bro, I don't do coding, you know me.
Well, you know well how good I am at coding, right?
अच्छा हाँ, yeah, that I know. We both know of each other.
मैं करती हूँ लेकिन अब तो सब नहीं करती, प्रैक्टिस वगैरह सब.
Okay, I mean, if you guys are not interested in it, what have you thought about the about your near future? Is what you are going to do?
मैं इंटरेस्टेड हूँ कोडिंग में, वो उत्कर्ष से पूछ लो.
अरे यार, Shivendu, to be honest, this is not a very good question at all.
Like
I'm
this
really
is not the
I,
place to reveal his cards, what he's going to do in the near future.
I mean, the questions were framed by Akash, so all credits goes to Akash.
I know na, that
Mara.
because
every third person is asking the same question every day. I'm really upset about it, man.
no problem, no problem. We are sailing in the same boat. But
Oh,
what
yeah.
is with you, Aishi? Like when do you develop the interest for coding and all?
Yeah.
वो क्लास 9-10 से ही था, फिर तो 11 में कंप्यूटर साइंस लिया, तो फिर हाँ मतलब सही में अच्छा लगता है कोडिंग करने में।
And what about development? I mean, are you developing something? Web development or Android development or something?
हाँ वेब
Or
डेवलपमेंट सीख रही हूँ अभी करेंटली।
अच्छा अच्छा, सही है, मतलब बढ़िया।
इस
They're
क्वेश्चन में
quite
और आकाश बस सुन सकते थे।
हाँ हाँ हाँ, यहाँ भी तीनों शुभेंदु से भी नहीं होता है कोडिंग में, वो होता है
अच्छा
वो तो
फिर ठीक है,
अच्छा
सेम बैंड।
ना। फ्रॉम दिस थिंग ओनली, लाइक व्हाई डू यू थिंक दैट, बोलते हैं ना कि इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में लोग इंजीनियरिंग छोड़ के सब कर लेता है, व्हाई डू यू थिंक इज दैट नोशन देयर? बिकॉज आई हैव सीन इट विद माई सेल्फ ओनली एंड माई पियर्स ऑल्सो, कि
या
इंजीनियरिंग नहीं हो रहा है, बाकी सब हो रहा है, बाकी सब पढ़ रहे हैं, नोबल 10-10 पढ़ जा रहे हैं।
अबे वो कहावत है ना
और
कि इंजीनियर इंजीनियर नहीं बनता, बाकी सब बन जाता है।
बाकी सब, या सो why what do you think is the reason for that? What do you guys think is the reason for that?
इसका आंसर मिले तो बता देना, मेरे को भी नहीं पता।
नाइस
No,
वन।
but why,
अरे
Utkarsh?
अरे सीन ऐसा है ना कि कोडिंग हो नहीं रही आधे से ज्यादा लोगों से। अब लोग सबको द मेन पता नहीं कितना सही है कितना गलत है, बट पीपल थिंक दैट कि इफ कोडिंग नहीं आती तो प्लेसमेंट नहीं लग सकती है। अब ऐसा नहीं है यार,
ऐसा नहीं है।
और भी चीजें डेवलप कर सकते हो। जैसे लास्ट सेमेस्टर कंप्यूटर साइंस वालों का ये था, डेटाबेस था, तो उसमें भी अगर तुम स्किल डेवलप कर रहे हो तो दैट्स गुड। बट ये चीज बहुत सही है कि इंजीनियरिंग में पढ़ाई छोड़ के सब कर लेते हैं लोग। दैट्स अ रियली ट्रू सेंटेंस।
Yeah, I think another reason is that कि 11 after the completion of 10th, when we get to choose in the 11th 12th what we want to choose, we have so limited options.
एग्जैक्टली।
So that is why most people go for maths, कि maths में हम अच्छे हैं, maths में अच्छे हैं, तो उसके बाद इंजीनियरिंग में जाके पता चलता है कि इंजीनियरिंग is not that about
People don't go
maths.
for maths, their parents let them off the math.
Yeah.
हाँ,
People
this is
never go
this
for
is
maths.
also the point. This is also the point. But now with the new education policy, this might change.
Yeah, maybe that's a good one.
Yeah. So the next question is, see, so as I mentioned earlier, only that you guys are quite good looking. So how do you stay sane? How do you stay sane? Like how do you many people might approach you. Some of them might be for the lack of a better word, cheap, or anything like cheap. They might act cheap, and some of them might be like texting you again and again. Especially with Aisha, I'm asking that because girls suffer it a lot. So
Yeah.
how do you guys keep your mind sane and focus on life, and with this if you have a relationship on that, and avoid those distractions? How do you guys do this?
जस्ट सिंपली इग्नोर, क्योंकि देखो लोग तो बहुत कुछ कहेंगे, अब लोगों का सुन के अगर हम लोग को जीना है तो जीना छोड़ दो, क्योंकि वो उनका काम क्या है, 1-2 दिन आके बस अपना सुना के चले जाएंगे, क्योंकि हमें अपना लाइफ जीना है ना, तो उनकी बात इग्नोर करनी चाहिए। तो मैं किसी की नहीं सुनती हूँ, तो बोलना है बोलने दो। क्यों
No,
मतलब
no,
देखो
no.
खुद को।
Hmm.
हाँ बोल बोल।
But if they're approaching you, like if they're approaching you with all their heart, they're not saying anything bad to you. That is what I'm asking. That,
हाँ
like they're, for example,
देन
if hmm, so,
तब तो मतलब देखो, अब तुमको इंटरेस्ट नहीं है तो तुम क्यों हाँ बोलोगे ना, तो फिर मतलब उधर ही रुक जाना चाहिए। तो इट्स बेटर टू से नो।
घुमाने से अच्छा
तुम
सीधा
100
सीधा
जन
बोल
को
दो।
तो हाँ नहीं बोल सकते ना।
right.
सही है।
With you, Utkar, like how do you handle this thing?
I have
हैंडल कर
I have
लेता, अच्छा
faced
हैंडल करता
this
है।
thing quite often.
And I have seen I've
Honestly,
seen it close enough.
हाँ
Yeah, say.
चलो ठीक है भाई। ठीक है ना, तेरे से बेटर कौन जानेगा।
No,
नहीं,
but
it's like
how do you handle it?
I know how to deal with them. I know how to deal with them. It's sometimes it's tough. Sometimes it's I also everyone has feelings, right? We also make mistakes often. So कभी कभी डील करने में गलतियां हो जाती है. That's okay. करना पड़ता है. You have to like
Hmm.
positive approach रख के कुछ भी करोगे तो होगा.
Yeah. So, like, do you guys think that this happens more with the quite good-looking people? Do you guys think because so many people approach you, a lot of your energy would go into that? I think. Like what I'm saying that कि तुमको दिन में
Yeah.
5 आदमी मान लो हर एक महीना में 5 आदमी अप्रोच किया, एक महीना में भी नहीं, 3 महीना में, ठीक है, लेकिन 5 आदमी अप्रोच किया तो तुमको उसको रिप्लाई तो करना ही है. इग्नोर तो ऐसे इग्नोर तो नहीं कर सकते हो कि रिप्लाई ही नहीं किए. तो
मैं
तुम
नहीं
लोग को लगता
करती.
है कि उसमें एनर्जी करती ही नहीं है रिप्लाई. हाँ, दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट टू आस्क दैट हाउ डू यू हैंडल इट.
मैं तीन
रिप्लाई
चार
नहीं
दिन
करते
बाद
क्योंकि
कर
रिप्लाई
देता
करके
हूँ.
क्यों उनको फालतू का कुछ लाइक उनको लगेगा कि हाँ रेड फ्लैग मतलब ग्रीन फ्लैग दे रहा है या कुछ, इसीलिए कुछ रिप्लाई नहीं बस.
ये बहुत
उनको
अच्छा
खुद
है कर्स, मतलब
समझना.
पता है ये तरीका बहुत सही है,
या
क्योंकि क्या होता है कि रिप्लाई यहाँ से भी आ रहा है वहां से भी जा रहा है, तो उनका भी अलग ही बना पड़ा है.
हाँ.
हाँ, तो दिस इज
या यू गेट रॉन्ग अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि
या
उधर से भी.
समटाइम वी मिस इंटरप्रेट ना.
हम्म.
अब उसको तुम एटीट्यूड ईगो बोल लो, वो आई डोंट केयर, बट जो सही लगता है मैं वही करती हूँ.
Yeah, no, but this is a really good point because
या
this is what I wanted to ask. कि कई बार ऐसा होता है कि अच्छा अच्छा बनने के चक्कर में आदमी बात करते चल जाता है और सामने वाला उसके बाद फिर. Yeah, right. Okay, so should we
Yeah.
move on to the rapid fire, Subhendu?
या आकाश, गो अहेड.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, so first of all, rapid fire with Aishi. So Aishi, ready?
हाँ.
Yeah. So first question is, since you are quite interested into modeling, who is your favorite model?
मानुषी चिल्लर.
Manushi
वो
Chiller. Okay.
हाँ.
Okay. Only one?
या
Okay. She won which title? She won Miss World or something, I think.
मिस वर्ल्ड
मिस इंडिया,
Miss World
2018.
she won.
मिस इंडिया.
या
Okay, yeah. She is also the brand ambassador of Adidas, I think. Yeah. So
या
also you like singing. Also you like singing, as far as I know. So who is your favorite
नो नो,
singer? No.
आई
You
डोंट
have
सिंग.
said that in the form
नहीं,
only, I think.
मैंने उसमें लिखा है कि मैं इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स बजाती हूँ.
Oh yeah. So you play instruments. So that is also a question. But before coming to that, who is your favorite singer?
हाँ. केके एंड
Hmm.
अरिजीत सिंह, ये तो हो गई.
Yeah. Right. So one thing you hate and like about modeling.
I hate one thing is that they do discriminate a lot between models. They do a lot. And
Can you explain this?
मतलब होता है ना कि इसको चांस मिला और उसको नहीं मिला, लाइक थोड़े से मिस्टेक के लिए जो उसको हम सिखा सकते थे बाद में, लेकिन उसको मौका नहीं मिला एक गलती की वजह से. और अच्छी बात ये है कि यू गेन मोर कॉन्फिडेंस व्हेन यू वॉक, तो वो एक
Hmm.
प्लस पॉइंट है.
Hmm. Yeah. So two things a person should must have for to go into the modeling field.
जिसको लाइक अच्छा लाइक जिसको पैशन है, दे शुड डेफिनेटली गो, मतलब एटलीस्ट
Hmm.
ट्राई योरसेल्फ.
Yeah. Right. So okay, I don't know if you are not comfortable. I will edit this part in the editing. But you have lost quite a weight in the near past. So yeah. So any tips, like 3 tips on how to lose weight?
मेरा
No
टिप्स
tips.
मत लेना. नहीं.
Bro, he has lost quite a bit. I think 5 or 10
हाँ,
kgs.
तो वो कोविड की वजह से हुआ है और
Oh,
कुछ अलग रीजन बस, और कुछ डाइटिंग वाइटिंग नहीं है. सो
That
ये तो
cannot happen. Okay, moving smoothly to the next question. So You know, as you said that you like to play instruments. So, which is your favorite instrument?
Yeah, drum set and congo.
Okay, okay. And which instruments do you play?
अभी तो देखो घर में कुछ नहीं है, बट जब मौका मिलता है तो मैं स्कूल में भी रीजनल्स में बजाई हूँ काफी, लाइक कॉन्गोज एंड ड्रम्स एंड ऑल.
Hmm. Okay, okay. So one place you would definitely like to visit in your lifetime.
आई डोंट नो.
You don't know. You haven't thought of any
लाइक
place.
नहीं, मैंने सोचा लाइक साउथ कोरिया ऑफ कोर्स.
Acha, I thought North Korea. What is there in South Korea?
Okay, Akash, one
लाइक
Kim
question I
Jong.
would like to ask.
Yeah, definitely.
Does she like BTS? I mean,
नो, आई एम नॉट अ फैन.
okay.
Okay, okay. Acha, that is why you asked because of Korea. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. I thought why would she like to visit? What is there in South Korea? I see.
इट्स लाइक बहुत प्रिटी जगह है वो. तुम लोग लाइक के ड्रामास होता है ना, मैं थोड़े बहुत देखी हूँ एंड आई रियली लाइक द प्लेस. काफी
Okay,
सही है इसीलिए.
okay.
Oh.
Okay, so if you could erase one memory from your past, what will that be?
I will like to erase like 2018 from my memory.
Why?
2018.
If you are ready to
No,
tell.
I can't say that.
Okay, she is erasing a whole year from her memory.
Yeah, whole year.
Okay. So, one thing you think that modeling helped you, like one thing that models have that others people don't have. One definite thing.
I guess they have the confidence like normal people don't have when they walk wearing
Hmm.
anything.
Oh.
Yeah, right. So, last question is we ask this question to everyone. What would you like to have written on your tombstone? Tombstone,
हाँ,
on the grave.
कभी सोचा नहीं है लेकिन yeah,
Yeah,
could be
think.
Is making you to think
like
in the unknowns.
I really don't know क्या लिखते हैं.
No, like you can write anything. One line from your side. What from your side to the
हाँ,
world?
that
What can be that?
never give up no matter what the situation is. Never.
That's great.
अगर लाइक तुमको जो चीज चाहिए ना, कुछ भी हो जाए बस गिव अप मत करना. कुछ भी, वो
Like
चाहे
I think this is
जॉब हो या फ्रेंडशिप हो या रिलेशनशिप हो या कुछ भी हो, बस गिव अप नहीं करना. दैट्स बस वही लिखना.
yeah. I think this is also a very much modeling trait because we see modeling life as very simple, subtle, but I think it's a life where people hustle a lot.
Yeah.
Like as
बहुत,
Aishi said that
क्योंकि
there is a lot of discrimination. Yeah, Aishi. Yeah.
क्योंकि देखो वो होता है ना कि जब कोई इंसान ट्रेंडिंग हो जाता है ना, तो लोग भूल जाते हैं कि तुम पहले क्या थे. लोग उसी को फॉलो करते जो आज है.
Hmm.
तो हम लोग को हर रोज हर साल खुद को अपग्रेड करना पड़ेगा. यही.
Great, man. Great. Yeah, very true. And also, a lot of things goes into making having a perfect body and all. Like it's very easy to see and be like, okay, but yeah, this is very true. This is very true. So, one thing, one secret of the modeling industry you would like everyone to know. One secret.
I'm not into much, so I don't know the
Like
secret.
whatever you have done up till now, you would have met a lot of
I never
models
got the
in our college
chance
and
to.
all.
नहीं, मुझे कभी चांस ही नहीं मिला ना लॉकडाउन की वजह से कि रैंप में
Okay.
वॉक करूं. बट
Yeah,
एक बार
yeah.
मिला था एंड दैट वाज प्रीटी गुड.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. So when you can move it to Utkarsh.
Okay,
Yeah.
so Utkarsh, are you ready for the fire round?
Obviously, bro.
Okay. The first question is your favorite entrepreneur.
Entrepreneur. Okay. I have recently, I would say that I don't follow any entrepreneur, obviously. I just read books about Elon Musk. I'm really a big fan of him,
Oh,
and I really don't follow any much of them. I just read books about of Bill Gates, Elon Musk, and Warren Buffett, and they're really inspiring. So
yeah, yeah.
I don't follow much. Only three of them.
Okay. So the next question is, if we give you a huge investment, in which field would you
Yeah.
like to create a business and why?
Okay. So I can't disclose much because I have some plans for future,
Yeah, yeah,
basically.
yeah.
So it's like you must have heard a incident of Delhi Baba Ka Dhaba related on
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Instagram.
yeah,
Mhm,
yeah.
mhm.
Yeah. So it's something regarding that only. I've thought about something, and because it will catch market for sure. Like it will
Definitely.
catch market like hell, because I have something in my mind that will really burn it, because there currently I don't see anything such like that in market right now. So if I implement my idea and implement it in right way, so it will really work out.
All the best, Utkarsh.
Thanks a lot, man.
Okay. So what would you like to have as a main purpose, of your life?
Just wanna be a successful person, man. But success doesn't mean I don't wanna be happy. I just want happiness in my life. Peace. That's all. Peace. I want peace. Sometimes people are successful, but they are just upset about their life.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So since you also like music, who is your favorite international artist?
Yeah. International artist, I would say there are too many of them. I'm a fan of too many, like Selena Gomez. I'm a big fan of her. Billie Eilish,
Even I
and
am.
too many. I can't say one name. Yeah, she's too cute.
Yeah. Okay. So one thing you hate and love about Bihar.
Uh, I love about the culture, the colors, and the people around it, the nature,
Oh,
especially. And the one thing I hate is like the cheap mentality sometimes of of a particular section of the society. Sometimes they lack a lot. Honestly,
yeah.
I'd like to improve them.
Okay. So if you could change one thing from your past, what would
Yeah,
what will that be?
I would like to correct my mistakes I've done, delete some memories. That's it.
Oh, okay, okay. And the last common question, what would you like to have written on your tombstone?
Okay. Uh, Never trust someone until and unless you are sure for it.
Okay, okay. That's all, that's all.
Deep, deep thoughts.
Deep thoughts.
Acha, one question from my side, Utkarsh. I know you
Okay.
are quite into UFC fighting,
Yeah.
and I used to get so irritated that what is this man doing? So, if you had a chance to meet one UFC fighter, who would that be?
If I want to meet someone, it's Conor McGregor. His name is Conor McGregor.
Yeah, acha,
And
bro, I think he's also the most
rich,
earning
most,
athlete, I
yeah,
think.
this year. Yeah, Forbes.
I just saw that, and I was like, so do UFC fighters earn that much? Like, how many matches do they play in a year?
Like, it's like Conor McGregor is a very big name. He doesn't fight more than once a year. I think in 2018 he doesn't even. Sorry, 2019 he doesn't even have a one fight. He has a another business. Too many businesses. He has a
Yeah,
whiskey business, Proper 12. That's I've never had it, but still.
yeah. I just saw the top 10 list of hopes, and I was just searching Virat Kohli in it, and he was nowhere. And I was like, bro, where is cricket
You
going?
are a big fan.
Yeah, yeah. So after this, like one advice from you guys to everyone who is watching this podcast.
Yeah.
Just never give up.
No, no, no.
Just
You
Okay,
have
repeat.
you have
बोल
said
चलो.
this one. You have said this
अच्छा
one.
तो
Change it.
क्या बोलूं?
Whatever you want.
They,
The things which are connected
anything,
with,
man.
connected to you can say that.
Yeah.
Already I have said one thing about that trust thing, and another thing I would say that I see already said that never give up until no matter whatever happens. Just believe in yourself. You are the one who is gonna survive all that in the end. Doesn't matter whoever stops you, whatever stops you. It's only you who will take care of yourself. So just be positive, trust in yourself. I wish I was
लोगों
that
की
positive in
बातें
my real life.
और हाँ, लोगों की बातें सुन के कभी मतलब बुरा तो लगेगा, बट ज्यादा टाइम तक उसको खुद को इफेक्ट मत करने देना,
Yeah.
क्योंकि लोगों का काम है बोलना.
Very true. Very true. So, in the end, like, how was your experience on our podcast?
It was amazing actually. और दिनों बाद ऐसे बात करने का मौका मिला कहीं पे.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah,
Utkarsh.
Utkarsh.
Like काफी अच्छा लगा यार, मतलब काफी दिनों से I haven't talked to anyone from few reasons as well.
हाँ, वो
But
भी इतना
yeah,
इतना
felt
डीपली
good.
कभी मतलब बात नहीं किया. सही
नहीं
लगा.
किया. So it was really like talking to you guys. I both know you closely and really good talking to you guys. Yeah, felt always feels good. And especially Akash, I always say what is in my mind in front of you always. So and speaking for front of you, like it was a very good experience listening to Aishi and his thoughts and her thoughts. Yeah, really good.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so let's just finish it. So, this is Akash and Subhendu signing off with Utkarsh and Aishi. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.